In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly incorporate a video into your presentation slides and make it play just the way you want it to. This can be a fantastic way to add dynamic content and keep your audience engaged. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First, you'll want to insert the video into your slide. You begin by navigating to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Once there, look for the option that says Video. Clicking on this will give you the choice to insert a video either from YouTube or from Google Drive. Whether your video is an informative clip from the internet or a personalized one that you've uploaded to your drive, this feature makes it easy to bring it straight into your presentation. After selecting the video you want to use, insert it into your slide. You might notice that the video might not initially be the perfect size or position for your slide's layout. Don't worry, you can adjust this effortlessly. Simply click and drag the corners of the video box to resize it as needed, and drag it around to position it exactly where you want it on your slide. Once your video is nicely placed and sized, the next step is to adjust how it plays. Click on the video once more to select it. Now, you'll want to open the Format options. You can do this by going back up to the Format menu and clicking on Format Options, or you can right-click directly on the video and select Format Options from the menu that appears. This will open up a sidebar with various settings on the right side of your screen. Within this sidebar, you'll notice a section titled Video Playback. Click on this section to expand it and reveal some very handy playback settings. This is where you can fine-tune when exactly your video starts and stops playing. To set the start time, look for the field labeled Start At. Here, you'll enter the specific time you want the video to begin. For example, if you want to start at 1 minute and 30 seconds, just type in 1:30. If there's a portion of the video at the end that you'd like to skip, you can easily do that too. Simply enter the time you'd like the video to stop in the field labeled End At. This allows you to focus your audience's attention only on the most relevant parts of the video, which can save valuable presentation time. And there you have it. With these steps, you can make sure videos in your presentations are not only compelling, but also precisely tailored to fit your narrative. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.